we studied the major factors affecting climate and their distribution. We also studied the soil while studying the biosphere. Our study shows that there is a lot of diversity in the climate, soil, and vegetation found in different regions of the earth. At the same time, the same type of climate and plant and animal life is observed across the various continents in the regions of specific latitudes. Regions having a similar natural environment are called natural regions. Climate, soil, plants, animals are all factors of the natural environment. Man makes use of them all as natural resources. This leads to certain characteristics, features of human life in different natural regions. In the study of natural regions, we study the natural environment of that region. It is also important to study the socio-economic development of the region, the lifestyle of the people, the environmental issues specific to the region, and the measures undertaken to resolve them. In this lesson, we are going to study the natural regions of the world and their characteristic features. Observe the world map in color figure. Different natural regions are shown on this map. In the lesson on temperature, we considered the three zones: torrid, temperate, and frigid. Natural regions are closely connected with these three zones. Hence, we also take them into consideration while determining the natural regions. All the land in the world is divided into 12 natural regions on the basis of factors such as the regional climate, soil, and vegetation. Mountainous regions and ice cap or ice sheet regions have very specific features. That is why they are considered as separate natural regions. Try to understand the natural regions and their important features given in the table below. Also refer to color figure. Let us study about natural regions and their important features. Natural regions in the torrid zone. 1. In the equatorial region, there is rainfall all the year around. The temperature here is high, but little variation is seen in the annual temperature. There are dense evergreen forests. 2. In grasslands in the torrid zone, rainfall occurs during a particular period. Tall and thick grass and scattered trees are found in this region. 3. In the monsoon region, wind changes its direction according to the season. Rainfall occurs in a particular season. Types of forest varies according to the amount of rainfall. 4. In the hot desert region, there is extreme heat and very scanty rainfall. Thorny plants with minimum leaves are found in this region. Next is natural regions in the temperate zone. 1. In the Mediterranean region, there are dry summers and wet winters. Broad-leaved plants are found in this region. 2. In the subtropical region with a humid climate like China, there is hot and humid summer and mild winter. This region is mostly found in the eastern parts of continents. Broad-leaved, evergreen forests and grasslands are found in this region. 3. In the interior region of the continents with humid climate, there is long summer and cold winter. Mostly, cyclonic rain occurs in this region. There are mixed deciduous forests and coniferous forests. 4. In the temperate grasslands region, there is great variation in summer and winter temperatures. There is low rainfall during a limited period. Short grass is found in this region. As there are cold currents near the east coast of North America, coasts freeze in winter. This part of North America is called the St. Lawrence type region. 5. In the interior region of the continents with a dry climate, there is very low rainfall, as it is in the interior part of the continents. Stunted plants are found in this region. 6. In the regions with Western European type climate, there occurs cyclonic rain from westerlies. Coniferous trees and very short grass are found in this region. Now coming to natural regions in the frigid zone. 1. In the taiga region, there is extreme variation in the winter and summer temperature. There are coniferous forests. 2. In the tundra region, the climate is extremely cold. There are snow-covered areas. Plants with a short lifespan are found in this region. 3. In the mountainous regions, climate changes according to the altitude. Hence, various types of natural plants and animals are found depending on the altitude of the region. 4. In the ice cap or ice sheet region, temperature is below freezing point throughout the year. Plants and animals are found only as an exception. Let us get some extra knowledge on regional geography. There is a vast difference in the environment and available resources in different natural regions. The use of these resources depends on the scientific and technological progress made in a particular region. Similarly, the history and cultural traditions of that region also influence the life of the people. All these things are studied in regional geography.